Hi, hello friends, welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to sell your own website. So let's discuss this topic until the end. Number one, understand your own audiences. The understanding your audiences is most important part for selling the any kind of websites. When you understand your audiences and you can try for that selling any kind of selling for a blind food, so this website cannot get any kind of profitable. So when you there are different types of different way to that follow motivations and website for instance market instance makings and businessmen and bloggers and any kind of influencer, they can also identify for the any kind of improve follow modify. So when you do that certain things, when you blindfold any kind of products or your product will not get any kind of sold for that. So it has a best for target audience to improve and modify for your website and interest for goals and to potential for any kind of buyers. So as your website will sell and faster and interact with your audience gap. So audience, understanding the audience is the most important part for this kind of selling the websites. So my number second point is that you have to determine your website worth. Which kind of website worth? Website worth is means that you can selling the website is profitable or not profitable. So when you do that, you can get the certain way of pricing tags you have to display for the websites, and you can this is a step for the important part for you can let for that particular way. So it is easier way to sell any website for any kind of audiences or any kind of businesses to that particular way. You can say the approximate website is $20,000 to $30,000 in a month. For look for the surrounding your target audience which art should get. A good strategy for that important part to selling this kind of websites understand the implication when pricing sites. So when you sell any kind of a website to any kind of customer, the negotiations and pricing strategy is the most important way. So my number third point is that improvement and make for a process to be automated. So making for the improvement for selling the any kind of websites or any kind of individual involvement should be there. So you can ready to but no, once the website are should get sold, you can not get longer for assist any kind of websites and any kind of operation for that. So in fact, it is a potential for that you can get your running websites are get able or not to get runnable. Number fourth point is that make a right marketplace buying and selling that websites. So in today's world is a most for world of marketing of commerce. So it is a best way to more and profitable way you can use for any kind of these sites. So when you use that any kind of marketplace, you don't mind to get that. So which comes for selling to this site. So there are several avenues to explore to the sales. So your website are get few here. Website marketplace. So website marketplace is that selling the website you can see the selling the household in online way. So there are the marketplace you can sell the websites to their place in their bids. There are several platforms are the Flippa, Business Exits, and any kind of Empire Flippers are also there. So these platforms are the way you can get the different types and model for any websites and for under in 3 lakhs dollar per year. So let me see to my screen. I will show that how you can sell your own website. I will go to directly on flipkart.com. Okay. Then I will click on sell now button over here. You see here, yes, you will get the sell now button are show over here. Then you can describe your website and title and from traffic the website. So all these things are in the website. You can also display over here. Then you can sell this kind of website to the Flippa also. Word of mouth. You can also sell your website to the word of mouth for the selling that any kind of websites. So even if themselves they wouldn't want to get likely and someone want to get any kind of site using that word of mouth of basis also. So my last point is that optimize your website before listings. So optimize your website is a most important part for that. So as I mentioned in SEO format, you can also know target audience who is that. So let's the backbone for the good website builders and as well as for their crumbles and falls into the nothing less. So SEO is a become the first part is a part for that when you tip for any fingerings and any kind of for selling their own websites. So website optimize, when you optimize your any kind of website and you can rank that website and then you can sell the website, you will get a high amount of profits to the particular one websites. This is the way you can sell your any kind of websites. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.